Hi, Aucto support team here. Let's talk about something that instantly builds trust with buyers: operational videos. Why? Because videos equal proof, and proof builds confidence. It also helps us at Aucto showcase your asset better in marketing and drive more traffic to your listing. You don't need to make a movie, just a short 20-second clip that shows your asset in action. That little bit of proof tells the buyer everything they need to know: that the unit powers on, runs properly, and sounds right. Keep your video file under 50 megabytes. And you can upload up to 5 videos right in the Media tab inside ARS. Use your phone. That's more than enough. Just keep it steady. A small tripod or handheld stabilizer makes a difference. Frame the entire machine or vehicle so the motion is clear. Before recording, take a quick look at your lighting. If it's too dark, bring a work light or shift your position to avoid shadows and glare. Try not to film directly into open doors or bright windows. That strong backlight makes it hard to see detail. Remember, what you see is what the buyer sees. Buyers love to see movement. Anything that proves the equipment is functional. For CNC machines, show all axis movement, the spindle spinning up, and a quick tool change. For fleet vehicles, show it driving forward and backward, braking, and let that engine sound come through. For dozers or boom lifts, demonstrate the lift, rotation, tilt, and drive motion. Even if your asset can't move, don't worry. Showing it power up, screens loading, or motors engaging still adds value. Whenever possible, record with clean background audio. The natural sound, the engine, compressor, or spindle helps your buyers understand the condition of your asset. Keep your own voice low while filming. Hold the camera steady, keep the machine centered, and avoid fast pans or zooms. You want buyers to feel like they're standing right there beside you, not watching shaky footage. And that's it. Short, simple, and powerful. A clear operational video builds instant trust, helps your listing stand out, and makes buyers feel confident about bidding. Together with clear photos and complete data, it's what turns an average listing into one that sells quickly.